Hey, John Dorsey here. I got 3 tips on how you can get more followers on Instagram, so stay tuned.
John Dorsey here with JohnD.net.
I want you tired of being overwhelmed.
Okay, welcome. Okay, so here we go with I'm gonna show you exactly the 3 ways you can get more Instagram followers. Now, sure, you might be saying, well, you only have 2,000 followers, but I haven't had this Instagram account too long, and then also at the same time, I'm not very active on social media, but 2,000 followers and active followers ain't much to is nothing to sneeze at, well, whatever I'm trying to say, sneeze at, sniff at, balk at. But basically, so tip 1 is to use to use Instagram's video chat feature. And the way that let me close this, and the way that you would do that is you go to the home screen and then click that video, and then click live, and then start your live video. And pretty much anybody can follow your video, and as that gets shared and other things, that will get you more followers, more engagement. The next way is, let me go to my home page here. What was the next way? The next way is to follow their followers. So as you see, my Instagram profile is based on business and internet marketing and personal development. So I got those 3 options. I can follow other internet marketers. I can follow other business owners or business people or personal development people or people related to that. So what you would do, let's just search for let's say Ty Lopez, because he's a big affiliate marketer, or a big marketer in that sense. And basically what you do is click on followers and then start following his followers. Now, a little tip with that is you want to be selective about who you follow. And what I look for are people with a profile picture of themselves and a profile picture that isn't distasteful. Let's put it that way. Like, I won't follow a guy that has no shirt on. I won't follow a female that's wearing a bikini or with a boob sticking out. And like I said, I won't follow someone who doesn't have a profile picture, or if they have a picture of their cat or dog or their child or a computer screen, I won't like that one. I won't follow them. And that's another way you can follow or get more followers, because the idea behind this is that they will come to your page to check you out. They'll see that you are someone that has content that they're interested in, and they'll follow you back. The problem with that is that it can affect how many, you want to have more people following you than you follow. So you want to keep that ratio in balance to where you have twice as many people following you than you're following. Of course, the lower the people you follow, the better. But it's important that you keep that ratio low. Okay, and the final way, or the third tip, is to basically post engaging content, good content, great content that will get your content on the Explore page. And the Explore page, this is the Explore page. And as you see, this page, if your content's good enough, like let's look at this Audi 5,000 likes, 23 comments. And that's because this post has enough engagement, or this page or post related to it have, 32 views, 6,000 views, 63,000 views. That one had 241,000 views. Let's look at this Beamer, 513 likes. So you want to, let me see something here. Yeah, 513 likes, 6 comments. Plus also the Explore page is listing stuff that I'm also interested in. So that's also a factor. You won't have just anything on here. I'm pretty sure there's other things that are viral or whatever, but it's things that I'm not necessarily interested in. So, you got trucks, cars, females, not that I'm necessarily, but I'm interested in trucks because I have a trucking business. I'm interested in cars because I like cars. I like watches. But basically, it's not about what I like. But but that's the general idea of how to get more followers on Instagram. And I'll also be practicing these techniques over the next couple months, and I will put up a video, updated video showing my increase in followers. But yeah, if you got some value out of this video, I'll appreciate it if you like it and share it or comment about some of these tips, or if you have other tips, put them in the comment section. Also, if you would like to get more great content like this and more tips and more things that will help you build your Instagram following, allow you to get more engagement on your posts and get more, and if you're promoting a product or a business or a service, to get more clicks on your link and then more leads and more sales in your business, then I'm giving away a PDF or giving away a video tutorial that will walk you through some key tips or some key ways to build your Instagram following and engagement, and what to do to where you can get more leads and sales and more traffic from Instagram. And that's at the link below this video. Click on it, enter your email address, and you'll get instant access to the video tutorial, and you'll be able to download the PDF, the ebook that comes along with it. But other than that, I appreciate you checking out this video. Click the link below this video to download the video tutorial, and I will talk to you again soon.